What is it? It's a horse? You spoiled little girl.
Oh, that's what it was. She said pony.
No.
What are you on? Is it a pony?
No.
Is it a horse?
No.
What is it?
No.
What is it?
No.
No, it isn't an animal. What kind of animal are you on?
Dog.
Horse? Yeah. Do you like your horsey?
Yeah.
Can you say thank you, Papa?
Papa.
Yeah. Can you say giddy up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job.
What was the pink crochet?